Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Around the World. International politics is like a game of chess, where every move has far-reaching consequences. In today's globalized world, every policy and decision has long-term implications. The changing US immigration policy and increasing trade restrictions indicate that the global power balance is entering a new phase. Recently, the US imposed heavy tariffs on its closest trading partners, not only causing upheaval in global markets, but also raising the question of whether this marks the beginning of a new trade war. However, it is certain that emerging economies, including India, will be significantly affected. Similarly, the tightening of US immigration policies may create new challenges for Indian migrants. In such a situation, the question arises, will these decisions pose difficulties for Indian migrants in the future? And will they impact India-US relations? In today's episode, we will discuss these very questions. Let's begin the discussion. Migration has always been a crucial issue in international politics. Recently, an incident involving the forced deportation of a group of Indian migrants by the US brought this topic into the spotlight once again. The US government deported these migrants to India via a C-17 military aircraft, triggering fresh debates over immigration policy. This event occurred at a time when US immigration policies are becoming increasingly stringent. The US administration is now unwilling to accommodate illegal migrants within its borders. This action will have a profound impact on Indians who are hoping to settle permanently or secure jobs in the US. For the Indian government, this is also a challenging situation as it must take firm steps to ensure the safety and rights of Indian migrants. The number of Indian migrants in the US is in the millions, and they make significant contributions to the American economy. If the US further tightens its immigration policies, it will directly affect Indian workers and students. To handle this situation, India must adopt a diplomatic strategy to ensure the protection of its migrant citizens. The changes in the US migration policy will not be limited to Indian migrants alone, but will also affect the US economy and labor market. Indian migrants, particularly in the technology and medical sectors, are extremely important to the US economy. If the US further restricts immigration policies, it will pose a challenge for American companies as well. Experts believe that India must engage in high-level diplomatic discussions with the US to ensure the protection of Indian migrants' interests. Additionally, the Indian government should take measures to create more employment opportunities within India itself so that people do not have to seek jobs abroad. Similarly, the US tariff policy will not only affect trade relations but will also impact the balance of global trade. During his previous term, Trump imposed heavy tariffs on several countries under his America First policy, causing a major setback to global trade. Trump has once again adopted an aggressive trade stance. He has announced a 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico and an additional 10% tariff on China. This policy is a major blow to the US's closest trading partners and could deeply impact global trade. The trade relations between the US, Canada, and Mexico are already interdependent, with the US importing a significant amount of automobiles and electronic products from these two countries. If the 25% tariff is implemented, the prices of automobiles and electronics in the US will rise, forcing consumers to pay more. Additionally, an increase in the cost of raw materials and finished products imported from Mexico will raise production costs for US companies. These tariffs will also affect economies of Mexico and Canada, as these nations generate substantial revenue by exporting goods to the US. The situation with China appears slightly different. After previous US tariff actions, China has adapted its economy by establishing alternative markets. China has strengthened its trade networks in Europe, Africa, and Asia, reducing its dependency on the US market. Analysts believe that the additional tariffs proposed by Trump may not have severe impact on China's economy but could mark the beginning of a new trade war between the US and China. This would not only affect the trade relations between these two countries, but would also disrupt the global supply chain. If the US implements this tariff policy, Canada and Mexico may also retaliate. They could increase tariffs on US imports or strengthen trade relations with the European Union and Asian nations. This could lead to a new trade war in North America, which would negatively impact not only the US, but the entire global economy. Considering the entire scenario, it would not be wrong to say that Trump's tariff policy is not just a trade decision, but also a political strategy aimed at reshaping the global trade landscape. If this policy is enforced, Its impact will not be limited to Canada and Mexico, but could shake the global economy as well. This is a crucial time for India and other emerging economies to utilize their trade opportunities wisely. So, viewers, let's conclude today's discussion with a question. How will US tariff and immigration policies affect global stability? Discuss. That's all in today's episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.